Hi everybody, my name is Gabriela. My friends call me Gabby. I hope you will call me Gabby as well. I am Garcia Mellado. I'm an Ensenada, and also I'm a Cruzan by marriage. I have been in the city of San Diego for about 17 years, building up my business, which is translation, interpreting, copywriting, editing, and providing just general services in all kinds of languages for people that want to communicate with others. So basically, what I'm doing is bringing my skills back to my hometown of Ensenada, and since I'm a true binational and a true bilingual, I just wanted to share this with you. Happy living in Mexico is absolutely true. Happy living in the US is also absolutely true. So I want to have, the best of both worlds, and thankfully I can do that. So maybe you can visit my website at husongtranslations.com, and if you need any services whatsoever, anything that you might need, your website improved, even if it's a monolingual thing, or if you want to translate anything, we also provide personal, simultaneous, and consecutive translation services. So we're there to help you.
Thank you.
Edmundo Ramirez, and I'm working for Ensenada ADC. We try to promote the city as an investment destination.
I have some information here about investing in Ensenada for industrial, the port, science and technology, tourism, real estate, and quality of life.
Yeah, exactly. We try to promote mostly industrial and technology, science, and quality of life from Ensenada.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
We are the first natural gas facility installed in the Pacific Ocean, and we have a capacity of 160,000 cubic meters each tank. If you can see, we have two tanks right now, and we store liquid natural gas and LNG, known as LNG, and the first cargo arrived in 2008, and since then we have opened full operation of the facility. And we, our first customer, or the biggest customer, is CFE. That is they generate electricity for Baja California. So we are right now only giving gas to them and a couple of other customers. And before we start the construction, we removed from the ocean like 700,000 erizos, sea urchins. Sea urchin, yeah, it's red and purple sea urchins.
My father was a sea urchin diver.
Oh, we use the divers from that race from Hatay. They were neighbors of our facility, so we use them, and they dive, for 3 or 4 months, removing all these 700,000 sea urchin, and they didn't, the size wasn't big enough to start do business with them. So they remove it and they plant it over here.
Oh.
That's what
Yeah.
we do.
Now
before.
all the divers will be down there when they get big enough to
I
harvest
know.
them.
We were always, you know, because we wanted to wait till they have the right size. Otherwise, they cannot go out the ocean.
Right.
So this is more or less what we do. We have the natural gas come here. We use the pumps, in-tank pumps, put it out, put it through our ORVs that we do heat transfer from the water of the ocean. We convert it from liquid to gas, and we send it to the pipeline. To CFE consumption for their turbines, and they can do electricity for Baja California.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Effective communication, leadership, teamwork, all those little pieces that make the company more profitable. Especially we work with the person, with their job, what they have to do, the process or procedures within the company, and the culture. All these four pieces work really well together, but in basis of good leadership. Really work with the person from the inside. Work with who they are, then to focus on what they have to do. But first we start with who they are, with what they've got, you know, what tools they've got to work with, and what they need to reinforce. Then we get to what they have to do. And if these two are, you know, checked and they're well aligned, then the company should just go.
We are from Revlux. Revlux is a company that designs lighting systems based on LED. For example, we have some projects like lighting system for off-road vehicles, and we have also lighting systems for parking lots or for exteriors in general. And we also have some projects focused into the roadway lighting, like street lighting and things like that. The main benefits of using LEDs is that LEDs are very durable. They can last up to 50,000 hours, 80,000 hours. That meaning, like in case of exteriors, it's like up to 16 years approximately. You don't have to change the luminary. It can be on the pole, and you don't need maintenance. In case of off-road vehicles, LEDs are very durable, so they can resist severe conditions like high humidity levels, vibrations, impacts, and things like that. LEDs are also very efficient, so energy savings are very high.